부탁합니다. Again, it's 부탁합니다. What does it mean? Today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about the word 부탁합니다. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 310. It's 부탁합니다. Again, it's 부탁합니다. This pronounced as a 5-syllable word. The first syllable is bu, second is tak, third is ham, fourth is ni, and the fifth is da. So it's 부탁합니다. So what is the meaning of the word 부탁합니다? This is actually used to say, please do me a favor. Again, it's used to say, please do me a favor. So if you want to tell someone to please do me a favor, you can say 부탁합니다. So how do we write 부탁합니다 in Hangul? This is composed of 5 syllables. Let's start with the first one. So to write the syllable bu in Hangul, we need to draw first a b character followed by an u character. And then for the second syllable tak, we need to draw first a tiat character followed by an a character followed by a giok character. For the third syllable hap, we need to draw first a hiuk character followed by an a character followed by a biop character. For the fourth syllable ni, we need to draw a nian character followed by an e character. And then for the fifth syllable da, we need to draw first a dikat character followed by an a character. Then we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these 5 syllables. And with that, you've just learned 부탁합니다. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 300 to 309. But don't forget our word for today, word number 310, 부탁합니다, which means please do me a favor. The first word for our review is Saranghae, which means strange. Next word is Joesonghamnida, which means interesting. Next word is 똑똑하다, which means to be smart. Next word is 싫어해, which means I hate it. Next word is 달콤한, which means sweet. Next word is 편의점, which means convenience store. Next word is 싫어하다, which means to hate. Next word is 오지 마요, which means don't cry. Next is 맛있어요, which means delicious. And the last word for our review is word number 300. It's 색, which means color. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.